Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, and then let's find and select the settings, scroll down and choose the following option, installed apps right here. Choose more key and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this operation, let's choose reset apps, and that's it. You just reset app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.